Hi guys, can you do me a massive favor? Can you do me a big favor? Can you follow me on Instagram, Jamaica_worst_gamer? We're trying to grow the Instagram also. So please give me a follow on Instagram. Link will be in the description also. Run the intro. Pew.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And as it's a rip connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Today we are at Pop the Balloon Find Love Jamaica edition. So I was sent this video, the full video, and I was told to go to a timestamp within the video, which is 1 minute and 38, I think. That is where I'm at now. So Rolly, this is from Rolly So Easy YouTube channel, Troubling TV. Rolly, big up yourself, bro. You're doing amazing.
Pull up. Let's go.
Alright, so female, this is the last mail. God, I pray that you send the mail come and one of these female find love. Because one of them now have love for 8 months now. Answer our prayer, God, please. Amen. Yeah. Alright. So send in the next mail for me now.
Why them a laugh? Them unserious. What you say? What in the ear I go pop? Them unserious, man.
Next mail for me now.
She love laugh. Look at it. Watch out! Go to playing with the balloon. No, sir. I go him though. Look at it. Bumbo clot.
I me like here. I have money. I have 2 houses. I bury some money. I go dig up here and share it. Yeah? I go buy a car where you want. Yeah? I got you. You know, alright, you know, you can't lift.
Oh, yes, sir.
You want.
Look like she, even she want to look like she can't. The man of business born of body else. The man say, yo, no, alright, you know, can't left. She want, the one of the orange.
Yeah?
Mom,
I got you. You know, alright, you know, you can't lift.
Oh, yes, sir.
You want.
Oh, so you're not business. Who else?
I'm responsible. Nothing over there, sir. You want. May I go for your money when you finish, yeah? I have 2 houses. I bury some money in one of the yard. You can choose one of the yard. But I go give you half my money still. I go buy what you want.
I have 2 houses. And bury some money in one of the yard. People who know him, I'm going to get them yard right now, you know that. I'm not going to get the yard.
Choose one of the yard. But I go give you half my money still. I go buy what you want. Design everything. I own man.
Alright.
You know, man.
Alright.
You must tell everybody else apart from she.
Alright, so what's your name? You're not even introduced yourself yet?
My name is John Gatty, aka Sugar Daddy.
Sugar Daddy.
Now watch them. They don't want nothing out of life.
Sugar Daddy. The girl named Sugar Daddy.
What you mean?
Alright, why you social?
Me?
Yeah.
Free single and disengagement.
No, you're social like your Instagram or so.
TikTok still got it.
Still, alright, TikTok.
TikTok still got it. So after this video, well, I've never advertisement yet. So. Sorry, I don't have YouTube Premium before.
Alright.
So, when I still got it. I not still got it in here. Let me search him. Let me search him. Think that if see if him gain any more followers after this. Saying that though, guys, you can go follow my Instagram. Jamaica_worst_gamer. See me, you know. Wanna give me a follow, man. Wanna give me a follow. When me, I'm Divine 876. Wanna can give me a follow, see me, man. Hold on, I can name that. When page? The profile picture like that. Boom. Oh, that not. Yeah. Yeah, I spelled it right. We can't find him. We can't find him. Anyway, click on account. Not for you. Account. Yeah, we can't find him. Anyway, did you see
Instagram or so?
TikTok still got it.
Still, alright.
TikTok. Why am I going on Instagram and I TikTok the man say? Sorry, I'm my bad people. Let me see. Cause me know so the comment section crazy, you know. I can't find him account. Anyway, continue.
TikTok. All right, so we're gonna find out why them pop the balloon that good.
No more hear from she. Me done with them.
So you know, I find out why them pop the balloon.
No. Baby, talk to me.
Them
We have to
seriously,
start with
then they are dance.
she and we'll go down the line, and then we'll come back to she
You not
quick.
pop the balloon yet?
She pop her balloon, so we have to go
Leave.
find out.
Leave.
What's left now?
Left.
Hold on,
Talk to she.
we'll find out why you pop the
serious,
balloon.
you know?
Come to the side of me, G. You hear your name?
Yo.
Man.
Oh, Rolly keep a straight face through this shit, bro. I'll be on the floor, dad. Okay,
What's
let's
left
renovate.
now?
Hold on,
Talk to she.
we'll find out why you pop the balloon. Come to the side of me, G. You hear your name?
My name is Cheyenne. The reason why I pop the balloon is because you're short. That's all.
Thank you. Left.
That's it, and how much did I rate him?
2.
Oh, you rate him 2 out of 10. How much did I rate him, G?
0.
All right.
Boss, no one waste no time. I understand. You know, I waste no time with no a long talk with anybody else. I she in the orange man.
Should I rate him, G?
0.
All right. Wait, give me a minute. Yeah. Come down the line, G. All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Hi, I'm Zenny.
Wait for the balloon.
Why you pop the balloon, Zenny?
Too arrogant and short and old.
Arrogant shot and all.
All right. How much should I rate him, though?
0.
Yeah, lash them to put on good. Left. Next.
Yo, the man quick with it, brother. The man quick with it, you fuck. The man say, yeah, like, should put on good left.
All right. How much should I rate him, though?
Oh, shit.
0.
Yeah, lash them to put on good. Left.
Oh, you want to keep a straight
Next.
face, dog?
How much should I rate her, though? How much should I rate her?
I'll give you a 7.
No, she.
0. Too much makeup.
Oh, rolling all off.
How much should I rate? No, why you pop the balloon? Sorry. Sorry about that.
Well, it's just too old for me
Thank you.
and short.
Me give you a 6, but you're old too.
Give me a minute, but G.
You're
Yeah,
old.
how much did I rate him, though? Because I'm short?
6.
6. All right. You say you get her a 6.
6 me give her.
All right. Your name why you pop the balloon?
I
Left.
tell me for puppy.
Yeah, come in like you wig.
The man same tell her, she said, I interact with puppet. Where, from outside?
Pop the balloon?
I tell me for puppy.
Yeah, come in like you wig. Yo, left, you're a pitney.
Yeah.
I am old man.
You're all tight. Come on, baby, talk to me.
All right. Shh. Wait. Hold on. All right, so everybody who pop them balloon, awkward grace for me.
Wanna lift up.
Lift up. Left.
All right, my G.
I'm gonna move straight to
So,
her.
she never pop her balloon.
No.
Want to find out if because
Hey guys,
Yo, me not have
today
no,
is
me
the
not have
third
no,
day we arrived at this camp.
the
As you
YouTube
can- oh
premium.
my
Sorry,
God.
guys.
you tell her if you never pop the balloon, I should never pop it willingly.
No, me don't know her for sure.
Yeah? What happened?
I first met this man and I'm not lying. I love the vibe.
And the more
Love
you
the
like,
vibe.
I love the vibe.
Him tell me, you know, and I
daddy
need to
vibe.
ask him. But I still want to know why you choose me.
Honestly, me like orange.
Okay.
Bad.
Okay.
Me peep on you.
You laugh, no. You're like orange. That's why. So if anybody else did a rare orange, then we stand a chance.
Okay.
Bad.
Okay.
Me peep on you before me come around and me say, are you? Me not responsive, none of them. Me not even look upon them.
Yeah,
Just the
left.
color grab you.
Believe.
So any girl in our orange?
Is he gonna go for? Is she gonna go for him after the conversation? Let's go.
No, she.
All right. Why you choose this color today?
It's my favorite color.
I love it.
Connect. All right.
you very much.
So what I gotta do? I want him ask you a question, and based on your answer, you're gonna ask him a question too. Get to know him and thing. We're gonna find out. Okay. All right. So you go. What's the question for him? Find out.
How many children you got?
You want me to be honest with you? 9.
Lot.
But me rich.
Okay.
Pay rich girl me to get pregnant. Say that good. You don't have to worry about that.
Nine, what thing get?
Yeah.
Okay, what's my monthly allowance?
Me I put it to 200,000
Okay.
every month.
Okay.
All right.
Is he capping, guys? If anybody know him personally, jump to the comment section. Is this guy capping? 200,000 a month, brother. 200,000 a month. But a girl will just meet, dog. Brother, if my mad serve me right, you know, dog.
Can be more, you know. Depends on how you cooperate, but you're good. I'm like it.
Waiting, but that high, lower?
It's okay.
So-
Think of a few things.
You know, nothing out of life, man.
Yeah.
Can cover a
Still
few
talk to
things.
them.
All right, my G. Ask her a question. Get for know her.
What's your name, please?
Amber,
Amber, where you from?
St. Elizabeth.
I'm going to put you in one of the house, then I'll take you from country.
And I
Okay.
question that, brother.
Got you.
All right.
So, any more questions? Sugar daddy, man.
Round 2.
Round 2.
Yes.
What is round 2?
Babes are good. We talk about this off the camera. Everything all right.
All right. What your mindset be?
You know, I like what he's saying. I like when he put everything on the counter. But I didn't find a match here. But I saw someone, felt his energy. He's everything that I want and see in a man. Off
Watch rolling like a match.
ear, behind the camera and stuff.
Behind the camera?
Yes, I'm gonna pop my balloon.
Whoa.
You mean say you see somebody behind the camera?
In broke.
Hey, bro.
Don't pop a balloon yet.
But we can build together.
In broke.
We can build together.
Yes, me say
We're
man
young.
broke. You know want to do that right now. Pop the balloon.
And trust me, I've been a sugar baby for years.
God no.
God no.
Puppy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what? Not out of life either.
Yo. Him a talk to her good. Then him tell her to pop it. Then him say, you know what, not alive neither. Yo, that was a drama, man, dog.
Sugar baby for years.
God no.
God no.
Puppy.
Yeah.
Spin a roll. Where you know?
You know what? Not out of life either.
So you pop the balloon base because
Because me know it's for a
You say it's somebody
moment.
else.
it's for a moment in Naga last.
And I see something that's
Behind the camera.
This is somebody
everlasting
else.
Behind the camera?
behind the camera.
Who? Both said?
No.
Oh.
Oh, yes, like, could you pick the person though? Could you call him forward?
No, you have to watch the other series, the other show for that.
All right, no problem. What you have to say?
She accused that for
Bye.
She accused that for rolling.
All right, what could Grace here?
Rolling, rolling, get that cue.
All right, so people, when you know it go, end of the video. Thanks you for watching. Make sure you like,
Yeah, man.
subscribe,
Yeah, man. Go subscribe to the
share.
channel, man.
Yo, just do all of that. God bless you.
Yeah, man.
Moby, it was a vibe. Big up Live Boss.
Oh,
Big up
Moby,
for
yeah.
sponsor. Motor Source. You don't know. Yo, big up KNS, Arthur. Body in a real life. God in night.
Yeah, man. Big up Rolling, man. Here's the man that do it for, man. Big up Rolling. You have to give Rolling props when time props is due. So, yeah, man, Rolling. Big up yourself. You do a tremendous job with the Jamaican one. But them girls seem so unserious, dog. Like, and this is the first one. This is the first one I watch. I just a Moby girl them are all of the episode I saw them stay. So let me know if there's any other other one me react to. Just tell me the episode and tell me the timestamp in it because we can't sit down and watch one for 1 hour and 40 minutes. That's nearly 2 hours of my day. I can't do that right now, no one night. But yeah, you can also send the link to me on my Instagram at Jamaica_verse_gamer, which I put earlier on in the intro of the video. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Big up yourself, Rolly. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.